Hi folks and welcome to Masterclass. Every year with thousands of us hitting the beach with our campers and caravans, I wanted to talk to you about some of the etiquettes when driving on the beach. This sign beside me says just about everything when it comes to looking after the native flora and fauna on a beach. This particular beach we're at Bribie has nesting turtles, so something you don't ever want to do is drive above the high tide marks during their nesting season, interfere with their nests or anything like that. A lot of areas will also have nesting birds. Generally, it'll be signposted, and as a general rule, do not drive on the vegetation. Stay down on the sand. Try and keep all your driving below the high tide mark. That way, any damage, anything you change will be washed away with the next tide. So respect this. Don't bring your dogs if the dogs aren't allowed to be there. Don't use beach umbrellas and dig them into the sand above the high tide mark, because if there's a turtle nest there, you'll destroy the eggs, and we don't ever want that. So always obey the signs, follow the rules. If you need a beach permit, get your permit. Don't drive without it. Fees for those kind of permits go into looking after the environment and projects like looking after the turtles. For more information, head across to our YouTube channel and check out the entire masterclass, and follow us on Facebook to see each one as we post it.